I hope everybody's doing fine today. This is October 10th, 2017, and pertaining to some more that I've dreamed, referring to something that Trump said, and I hate it that people, even though I live a long way from that area, my prayers go out to everybody that lost stuff in the canyon fire and the Tubbs fire yesterday. That was awful. That was awful. Let's get right to it. Pertaining to my dreams, I had a dream back in 2015 on October 24th. And you look at everything that they've said in the last couple of days about Columbus Day, and then the gist of what I dreamed. 10/24/2015, I dreamt the church is in trouble. The support posts were Western red cedar. Western represents the end of the prophetic day and work time. Sin is red. And then go read Isaiah 9 and 10 about the cedars after 9/11, when they made the vow that they would replace the cut down sycamores with. Not what everybody wants to hear, but that's the truth. And again, don't read Chad, go read your Bible. Go find this out for yourself. Go pray about it. Go seek God. Don't take my word for stuff. That's just what I'm getting. And also in this dream, I heard the song by the Temptations, and specifically this line. It was the 3rd of September, the day I'll always remember. And it came to pass, September 3rd, 2016, I was in the biggest earthquake I've ever been in before. Our preliminary 5.6 that was finally rated at a 5.8 really rocked my world hard in Bartlesville, Oklahoma that Saturday morning, and did damage over in Pawnee, some damage. It was the 3rd of September, the day I'll always remember. And the other line that stuck out was Papa was a rolling stone. Wherever he laid his hat was his home, that part of it. And then I dreamt Columbus Day got messed up, was all it said. Now we're going to go all the way back to 2011. Trump said 2 or 3 days ago, gonna decertify the nuclear deal possibly. This is the calm before the storm. 2011, right before I woke up, and I mean it about jarred me out of the bed, it was so loud. I had this dream when I lived in Oklahoma. And here's the word I heard about jarred me out of the bed. And God said, this is the calm before the storm in America. Whoosh! And I was wide awake. I couldn't go back to sleep. So now, look at, we're having lots of earthquakes from October 3rd through the 9th in various places. I mean, not like anything that's like terribly catastrophic, but there was 2 in Alaska, 3 during the period, very small ones on the New Madrid, bunch of them around Yellowstone. There's little small earthquakes going on everywhere, and some of them are noticeable because I've been in a 5 something before. You know, a 5.0, 5.3, 4.9. You can feel those some, and they've had some of those in various places. This other thing I've never mentioned before. One day I was in Oklahoma, perfectly sunny day, and within an hour we saw 30 to 40 of these jets fly over. Big jets and white streams coming out of the back of them, and within an hour they had the whole sky so cloudy the sun couldn't even shine. It was in 2016, and that's all I know about the chemtrailing. That's just what I saw. And back to my dream that was yesterday on the 9th with Hurricane Kay. I've got a drawing done of what the storm looked like on a satellite picture. That landfall at central Louisiana, went straight north and then made a left turn and went right to Bartlesville, which got, you know, the northern eye wall. And that was yesterday's dream, Hurricane Kay. And again, there's no K on the 2017 list of names in real life. And this was only in the dream. And here's what I saw. The bird that's down at the bottom, that was another video, the Lake Egypt, but that's what the storm looked like that landfalled. That was Hurricane Kay right there, and found out that was associated with King Arthur, Excalibur driving the sword into the rock. And I just thought it was ironic. I read a couple other visions that other people had had dreams of something sticking a sword down in the rock in the middle, you know, of America, and it split. I have not had that dream. Again, don't seek me. Go seek God on that. This is just what I saw with the storm that came in. And well, I saw that. And then I was given a song, a couple of them. If you can pick them out. One was about what to do, and the other one was about the shaking. I'll just play a little bit of it. That's not it right there. That was part of Rock Me by Great White. That's part of the solo to Save Your Love. I was given those two songs in these dreams. And just remember, Jesus saved all of his love. And remembered us so we could escape this horrible judgment. And rock me to the religious community that want to put God in a box and say he can't use secular music. America's fixing to be shaken. Rock me. And there you have it. This is 10-10-2017.